8 months back, literally PUBG Mobile in India was banned. So many people lost hundreds of hours of gameplay they put into this game, and they lost all their progress. And many streamers, they also lost their many of the viewers, because this many people were watching them because of this PUBG Mobile which they are playing, and they were trying to look and learn from their tactics, the streamers tactics. But right now PUBG, in the name of Battleground India, is actually back, and I can see you smiling through the screen if you are a PUBG player. Even if you are not a PUBG player, you are probably smiling because my face looks weird. I don't know. Okay, so we will discuss in this video why PUBG is important, or why Battleground, yeah, that is a new name. So why Battleground re-release is important, and why actually the PUBG Mobile was banned, and we'll see the important updates about this Battleground India. So why Battleground India is important? Because now many people will again start playing this game, so that many of the streamers, they will actually get many views, and the people who are playing also, rather than doing something else, they'll start playing this. Like many people, even they tried suicides, so those things can be prevented, and it is celebrated like anything. PUBG was a huge thing in India, so it is back right now in the name of Battleground, so that right now people are celebrating it everywhere. And about this, why India actually banned PUBG, it may have some political reasons behind it, because of the borders, but how it actually banned is because of the 69A, because of the section 69A, where India said actually PUBG has a Chinese origin, and all the Chinese originated apps are collecting data and sending information to China. So for the welfare of people, to stop the information flowing from India to China directly, and them using it against us or something like that, so that PUBG was banned. Not just PUBG, there are more than 100 malicious apps which are banned. Yeah, India termed these apps as malicious, so that these are banned. And not everything was major like PUBG, but many major apps also are included in this list, like TikTok and stuff. So coming to the updates of Battleground, this game is completely free. So if anyone is sending you any APK where they are telling you to pay, do not listen. This game is completely free. You can pre-register. You can ask if there are any benefits for this pre-registrations. Yeah, you'll get some extra gauntlets and extra this props if you are pre-registering, and there won't be any much other serious consequences if you are not pre-registering. And if you don't know, you just go and check out in the link in the description, so I'll get some more knowledge about this. And the streamers are specifically instructed not to say this word PUBG when they are streaming this new game Battleground. So that is some fun thing, right? They are instructed not to say PUBG. Yeah, that is kind of a little bit weird. And this update is right now for Android, and for iOS they'll update it soon, the things. And what happened to your previous gameplays and previous progress, if you log in with the old Gmail ID or the account, all the things will be restored according to this latest game and Indian version. And it is designed for, it is showing 16 plus in Play Store, but actually if you are 18 plus only, you can play this game. If you are less than 16, you can play less than 3 hours only. So that is something you should look into. And if you are playing more than 3 hours, please don't. It is very bad for your health also, and you could do so many other things at this time instead of playing PUBG. And PUBG actually relieves stress for many people, but it becomes very harmful when it becomes the air you breathe. So that is different. And that is it. These are all the updates which we are giving, and the beta version was released, and so I think many people are actually testing this out and playing it for themselves. Yeah, we'll wait for the actual release. So if you are wondering, so go to the link in description and pre-register. And all the videos are short in our channel, so go and take a look on it. And Actually, I made 2 videos about time travel. So that is our first playlist, which is linked here. And we hit 444 subscribers. So that is something, that is a palindrome. I actually like palindromes very much. So yeah, thank you for the support. Take care.